Alright, welcome. As you can see, what I've got here is the TS312S from Alto. This is a sub I just got. This is also something I've got. It's a cheap karaoke system. So the idea here is so that you can get an understanding of what you are buying. I'm about to play some music first without using the sub, just the karaoke system, and then slowly I will turn the game or volume up. This is a phone I do believe records sound very good, and that's why I'm uploading this video. So let's go. So the sub is off currently. Alright. So let's go and volume up. Difference. We can go louder, of course. So let's just do that. A tiny bit louder. And there you go. This is it. The limit light never came on, so I'd say that was 70% at most. In a way, you can go a little bit louder, but